We're going to go over everything we're going to need to make our lemon, ginger, and honey tea. I have some fresh ginger here. We are going to go ahead and peel that, and then I'm going to slice that up. I have 2 lemons, and we are going to slice these thin, and then I'm going to take the seeds out. And we are going to need some honey, and that right there is about 2 cups of honey. I may not need the entire jar, but I'll probably go in with like 1.5 cups. But you guys will definitely see of what I use in my recipe here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here I have my lemons. I have both of my lemons cut up, and I cut them up very thin. That may look like a lot of lemons, guys, but I cut them up very thin. And I also took all the seeds out, which is what you want to do. And I did all of that off camera. And here I have my ginger. And you guys can see I did go ahead and slice these up as well. And I used a total of 3 of the nice sized pieces of my ginger. So you can use what you want, but just remember ginger is spicy. Okay, if you are looking for a spicy honey lemon tea, then go ahead and add more ginger. But this right here should be enough, because I'm going to be adding this into 2 jars, 2 8-ounce jars. And yeah, guys, so if you want to use more, add more. That's all I got to say. But this right here will be enough for both of my jars. So here I have 2 of my 8-ounce mason jars. I did have 16-ounce, but I've been canning a lot of honey. I made jam and stuff over the weekend, and I ended up using all of my 16-ounce jars. So I took 2 of my 8-ounce jars, and I'm going to use these to make my honey, ginger, and lemon tea in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just pour a little bit of honey down in the bottom of both of my jars first, because I don't want to just have the lemons sitting at the bottom of my jars. I mean, it really wouldn't matter. You can go ahead and just add them in how you want, but this right here is what I'm going to be doing. So now I'm going to go ahead and just start adding in some of my lemon slices. And once I get close to the top, I am going to start to just go ahead and push the lemons down. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of my ginger in between the lemons and the honey. Go ahead, I'm going to put in a little more lemon. And when adding this in here, you guys don't have to do what I'm doing, okay? Go ahead and just add it in how you want to add it in. But I'm going to add in some honey. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with more lemons. Just trying to wait for that drip to stop. So I'm going to go ahead and add in more lemons. And you just want to repeat this process until your jar is completely full. So I'm going to go in with a little more ginger. Add in more honey. And because I'm using 8-ounce jars, I'm not going to just go ahead and push that down as far as you can get it. And once I'm done with my jars, I'm going to let them sit in the fridge for about a day or 2 before I use them. And when I say, guys, oh my God, this would take away any cold that you feel may be coming on, or any cough you may have. This right here is going to take care of all of that. And I think to top it off, I'm going to add just a little honey. It's okay, guys. That lemon, that juice from that lemon is going to make this concoction here just right. I promise. So I'm doing the same thing with my second jar. And just go ahead and push the lemon down into that honey that's in the jar. I'm going to go in with a little more. I may end up getting a few more jars because that lemon actually gave me more slices than I thought it would. Those were some nice sized lemons. So I think I'm going to make up a few jars of this to go in the fridge. And just to let you know, you don't have to worry about, oop, I was going to go in with my hand. You don't have to worry about this going bad. This will last you for months in the fridge, up to 4. If you were wondering, this will last you a while in the fridge. So we're going in with some honey. Adding in more lemon. And you can just make this and just keep it. Oop, I forgot a seed right there. Had to get that seed out. But like I said, you can just go ahead and make this up. If you know the cold season or flu season is upon you, just go ahead and you can just make this up and have it in the fridge already made up. Because the longer this sits in the fridge, the better it is going to get. Just a FYI for you guys, that lemon and honey and ginger is going to be marinating and just making it just right. So I'm just going ahead and just squeeze this down. I'm going to add in a little more ginger. Like I said, not too much because I don't want to make this spicy. Ginger is very spicy. So here we are here, guys. My honey, lemon, and ginger tea is done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you how to make this. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and get this into the fridge for about a day or two so that everything can marinate and come together and do what it needs to do to take away any cold-like symptoms you may be having. Upset stomach. Guys, when I say this right here, the ginger alone can take care of a number of things that you may have going on. Little do you know, if you want to look it up, ginger has many healing properties to it that can help you out with a lot of things right along with that citrus and the honey itself. Oh my God. The honey, you guys definitely need to look that up. That was just too much to put on my screen at one time, okay? So yeah, guys, look that up and just find out all of the benefits that you will get from honey, lemon, and ginger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up because that helped my channel out a lot. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.